Today I'm going to show you how to climb monkey bars.
And cross the
Okay.
bars.
Look carefully.
Okay.
Hands should be tight, okay?
Hands be tight.
Move only when you're very sure. Don't be hurried. You have all of the time.
This is how to climb monkey bars.
And how to cross it?
Oh, you
Careful.
cross the turn,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
That's how to cross.
Okay.
Look, another technique to go is like this.
Please be careful.
I will make careful.
That's good.
Okay.